Hello, in this video, I'll teach you how to install the most recent version of Kali Linux, which is presently version 2024.1 using VirtualBox. This only works if you're running Windows 10 or 11. The first step is to open the browser and search for VirtualBox. Click the download button, which will take you to the download page. Click on Windows Host, and for VirtualBox Extension Pack, click on All Supported Platform. It will download the most recent version of VirtualBox and its extension pack for Windows. To install Kali Linux, go to Kali Linux official website, press the download button. Now that you've clicked the download button, you have two options for installing Kali Linux, either using the installer image or the pre-built virtual machine image. If you want to install Kali Linux as quickly as possible, I suggest using the virtual machine image because everything has already been pre-built. But if you want to install it from scratch and customize everything, I suggest using the installer image. I'll go over both methods in this video so you can choose whichever you prefer. First, let's start with the pre-built virtual machines. Click on the virtual machines to bring you to this page. Since we are installing on the VirtualBox, we will choose VirtualBox and the download should begin. While VirtualBox image is downloading or after it's downloaded, start installing VirtualBox and its extension pack. Give admin access, press Next, Yes, and install. After installing, uncheck the Start button and press Finish. Now install the extension pack for VirtualBox. Press Install. I agree and provide admin access. It will be installed. Now, extract the Kali Linux VirtualBox image file. After extracting, open the folder. You would find two files, one virtual disk image and one VirtualBox machine. Double-click it, which is around 3 KB, and it will add to VirtualBox automatically, so you can see Kali Linux 2024.1 has been added to VirtualBox, and press Start. It will open pre-installed Kali Linux. Username is Kali and the password is Kali as well. You can change that later on. So basically, this is how to install the latest version of Kali Linux on VirtualBox using the pre-built virtual image. Now, we're also going to install Kali Linux using the ISO file. Open your browser, then go to the Kali Linux website. Press Download. Now select the installer image. Select your version, 32-bit or 64-bit accordingly. Press Download button, and it will start downloading. After it's downloaded, you will see the ISO file. Now to add the ISO file installer image, open VirtualBox. Press New. Name it. Now to select the ISO image, select Other, then select the downloaded ISO file, then in Type select Linux and version Debian 64-bit, and give resources usually around 40% max of your total resources, then select Finish. I have 16 GB of RAM and 8 CPU cores. I provided VirtualBox 6 GB and 2 CPU cores, which is well enough for operating system like Kali Linux. To begin installation, hit Start. Then Graphical Install. Select your language, now your location, and keyboard, then press Continue. Wait for it to install. It will now ask for a host name. You can enter Kali and leave the domain name blank for the time being. Then provide a new username and password. Remember the username and password since they will be used to log into Kali Linux after installation. Select the clock. For the partitioning method, pick full disk. This is not your complete hard disk, just the space you allocated to your VirtualBox. Press Continue. Continue. For the partitioning scheme, choose all files in one partition. Review the changes and hit Continue, then confirm them by selecting Yes and pressing Continue. Keep the default choices for softwares to install, add, or remove according to your needs, but practically everything is in there by default. It will prompt you to reboot to complete the installation. Press Continue. After reboot, select Kali. You have now installed the Kali Linux. Simply enter the username and password you created before. If you prefer the full screen view, go to View and select full screen mode. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.